loudest alarm in the world. Screaming meanie. It'll wake even the hardest sleeper up.
I'm just going to put that right there.
Throw it over here.
Good morning, everybody. I thought I came in here just to get me a little bit of coffee. And I go back in there and Fallon has already made the bed. Now, I like to help her make the bed in the morning. She don't tell y'all that, but that's true. This morning, I'm gonna be having some oatmeal, some strawberries and blackberries and different types of berries. And then I'll probably have like 2 eggs over easy or medium, and I'll be ready to go. This is what my oatmeal is looking like so far. We getting there. Manly's got his cartoons on. Fallon come in here and put this on for me here. Put the salt on here. Fallon dropping me some berries in there.
I don't know if I've ever made steel cut, so I'm about to try some.
Fallon says she don't know if she's ever made these. Maybe I've never eaten these kind. What kind have I been eating, Mom? These are about the.
I usually make old fashioned. These are steel cut.
These are kind of like the consistency of grits. I'm gonna do it the real way, folks. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this right over into this. That's the real way right there. The other way's fake. This is the real way. That's good. Fallon got her some of those, y'all.
I know mine are going to be a little different than the ones you have.
Fallon knows hers is gonna be different because she broke out that brown sugar.
Yes, I did. I like old fashioned better. Why?
Because I think I'm getting bigger.
Yeah, I do think you're getting bigger.
Because my pajamas are maybe getting too small.
Think so? Time for some new ones again? We just got those fish ones at the mountains. You already outgrew them?
I think.
We'll use this basket today. See if we can see Ernest T today. Sissy said she saw him the other day.
Okay.
He is good at hiding, especially in the summer with all this stuff growing up. Look how much the pond has dried up. The water's normally to right here. Miss Turkey's waiting at the door. Woo! It is muddy out here today, Miss Turkey. Don't get all dirty. She's gonna get all dirty. It happens every time. Fresh turkey egg. All right, y'all, it's almost time to cook supper, but I'm gonna slice up this watermelon first.
But that's minute slice
Oh, you got something to slice it with?
something dry for my bubbles.
He's got a little tool. It actually came with bubbles. You just dip that in the bubbles. I don't think that's gonna work.
Let's just see.
Okay, you see if it's gonna work.
It has a shell. Let me get my strong. Whoa. Do you see those
Yeah, it
things?
did a little dent, didn't it?
It has to.
I think it'll be easier to use a knife. What do you think?
Wait, made a little hole there. Now
Let's just use this knife.
cut it right there.
Okay, that's where I'll cut it. Oh, it smells good.
Mama, I did not know where my knife went.
You didn't?
I did a trick shot.
You did?
And landed perfectly behind that.
We're having an easy supper tonight, y'all. I got some fajita chicken from Aldi. We're just gonna make some fajitas. Just cook up some peppers and onions. Warm up the, I don't have fajita shells. I have just regular size tortilla, but that'll be fine.
I was going to get building blocks. Let me smell that piece.
So this is the chicken that we're gonna use for the fajitas. I'm gonna slice up an onion and a couple of green bell peppers. And then on the side, we're just gonna have some corn and black beans mixed together with a little bit of cilantro and some tomatoes. I have this Great Value like Rotel, but it's Great Value. We'll use that for the tomatoes. It's got some peppers in it too. And I'm gonna run out here to the garden and see if I have cilantro, all right?
I want to come
You wanna go with me?
when I'm done cleaning these.
Okay.
I did a trick shot.
Another trick shot?
Uh-huh.
You're throwing down a bunch of trick shots in here
And
this evening.
Sissy.
Got some cilantro. Let's see.
You do better birthday
Oh,
present.
thank you. Uh-oh. We'll get these habaneros too. They haven't turned orange yet, but something will eat them if we don't get them, so we'll go ahead and pick them. Got a lot of peppers anyway. I'm just gonna do this fajita part all in one pan. I'll start with the peppers and onions in here, and then we'll add the chicken. All right, let me get some butter in that pan.
Can I help you get the stuff?
Yeah, here, you wanna throw the butter in the pan?
Yeah.
Throw that whole block right there into the pan. There's a couple of tablespoons. Thank you, sir. And I'll go ahead and turn it on to medium. While the peppers and onions are cooking, we'll mix up the black beans, corn, tomatoes, and cilantro. And if I had a lime, I would add a little bit of lime juice to that, but I don't have one.
Mama, when you're older, do you feel like you're turning into a piece of cheese?
Well, I can't say that I've felt that yet, but if it happens, I'll let you know. I'm just using green bell pepper. Now, most of the time, there's like red and orange and everything, but I'm just going with green this time. So I'm gonna drain the corn and the black beans and rinse them. I'll just do it all in the same thing though, because it doesn't matter if we rinse the corn too. And I'll grab another pan out to heat up the tortilla shells. Okay, I'm just gonna let the corn and black beans sit right there and drain. I'll go ahead and chop up the cilantro. Let me get all these peppers out of here. I'll go ahead and wash these too. I love garden peppers. I will squeeze a little bit of lemon in here with this. What are y'all having for supper tonight? Tell me what's on the meal plan for the rest of this week. Are y'all getting ready for slow cooker meals? Usually around the time school starts back, everybody's getting ready for those slow cooker things. It gets busier, so you want something easy. I need to put a little bit more butter in here with the peppers and onions because we're almost ready to add the chicken in. I'm going to put my banana peppers in here. These were supposed to be hot banana peppers, but they're not hot. I'm going to go ahead and put this chicken in. Let's smell it and see if it has some seasoning. If not, we'll put some in there. Doesn't really smell like it does, so we'll add in some seasoning. I mean, it might a little bit, but it may just be the way they have it cut. They called it for fajitas or something. We'll put some chili powder and cumin and stuff in there and spice it up. We'll finish mixing this together and go ahead and put in the peppers and the cilantro. I'm just going to cut a little bit off of this lemon. We'll squeeze that in there. We'll come over here. I'm going to put a little bit of this in that corn and black bean mixture too. We're just going to put some chili powder, ground cumin, some paprika, some red pepper flakes, just a little shake of onion powder, some pepper, and salt. Oh yeah, now we're smelling like fajitas right here. Okay, we'll just let that keep cooking. I'm gonna put the same stuff in this corn mixture, just not as much. And over here, I'm just going to start warming up the tortilla shells. Alright, just in time.